Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ulfani and thanks for this opportunity. Today I will present the sixth question about psychoanalysis chapter 5 in cultural studies. The question number 1 is, how does psychoanalysis deal with human behavior? Psychoanalysis is an approach to the understanding of human behavior by Freud and other famous psychologists. It is a method of treating mental and emotional disorder by discussion of analysis of one's thoughts and feelings. It relies on the therapist's ability to make unconscious conscious and to help guide the patient to resolve their underlying conflict. Question number 2 is, how does psychoanalysis deal with reading text? Psychoanalysis criticism adopts the method of reading employed by Freud and later theorists to interpret text. It argued that literary texts, like dreams, express the secret unconscious desires and anxiety of the author, that a literary work is a manifestation of the author's own neurosis. Question number 3 is, how does psychoanalysis analyze culture? Cultural analysis done psychoanalytically examines extant culture, attempting to elucidate unconscious dimension of the collective cultural psyche and of individual constituents and seeking to understand correlation between the individual psyche and the cultural collective psyche. Question number 4 is, how is someone's dream is interpreted according to psychoanalysis perspective? In psychoanalytic theory, dream represent wish fulfillment, unconscious desires, and conflicts. Dreams contain both manifest and latent content. Latent content represents the repressed, symbolic meaning embedded within the dream. During dream analysis, the person in therapy shares the manifest content of the dream with the therapist. Question number 5 is, how are Freud's psychoanalysis and Marxism the same and how are they different? Freudian analysis of psychic process into articulation with Marxist analysis of social process. There is a clear connection in that Marxism seeks to uncover or undo social expression, where psychoanalysis seeks to undo psychological repression. Within Marxist thinking, the public is in ideological influence or brainwashed by governing policies, economic relations, and class structure. And the last question is, how does Freud's psychoanalysis differ from other kinds of psychoanalysis? Psychotherapy attempts to restore a person's relationship to the social norms and regulation, while psychoanalysis works to restore a person's relationship to their sexuality. Psychotherapy works to strengthen the ego, while psychoanalysis works to strengthen the subject's relation to their own unconscious. The summary of psychoanalysis is based on the concept of unconscious mental representation that are built up from childhood. This mental representation of self and other include intense and conflicted emotion. The conflicted emotion involve wishes, associate fears, and attitudes that organize compromise among them. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.